Mr. Clean, tell me, is that really you? I wonder what you've done to become so big and dumb. But I know you can change your lifestyle once again. It's cool to be clean, if you know what I mean. Yeah. When I gave you my favorite Chiquita shirt, I gave it to a guy who is cool to everyone he meets, but shows the world is incomplete. Mr. Clean, tell me, is that really you? I wonder what you've done to become so big and dumb. Last time we met, you beat me up, but that was no surprise. Oh, I miss that days when you were nice. Yeah. It's hard to believe